Good morning, students. Now today we will do exercise 2.2. So here, first question, prove that this is equal to this one. So consider right hand side. Consider right hand side. We are having sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. In this one, let x is equal to sine theta. Put x as sine theta. This is sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Put x as sine theta. So it becomes sine inverse. This is formula of sine 3 theta, because sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So I can write this as like this. Here we have sine inverse sine x, which is equal to x, means 3 theta. Is say cancel. So we have only 3 theta. Now 3 into theta. Theta from here. Theta will be sine inverse x. We have to find theta from here. Transpose sine on this side becomes sine inverse x, which is left hand side. Hence proved. We consider right hand side and prove equal to left hand side. Same. Question number second. Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. In this one, again we will consider right hand side. Right hand side, we are having cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Here also put x as cos theta. Let x is equal to cos theta. Then this becomes cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And this is now cos inverse. This is cos 3 theta. This is formula of cos 3 theta. So cos inverse cos x will be equal to x, means 3 theta. Now 3 theta from here is equal to cos inverse x. Theta will be equal to cos inverse x. Hence proved, which is left hand side. Left hand side. Question number third. We have to prove now these two equal to this one. So consider left hand side. This is tangent inverse 2 by 11 plus tangent inverse 7 by 24. It is like this: tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y, and tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y will be equal to tangent inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. X plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this is x, this is y. So will be equal to tangent inverse x plus y. This is x. 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 24. X plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is here. Now will be tangent inverse. Its LCM, as it is 11 into 24. Divide this LCM by this. 24 into 2, 48. Plus divide this LCM by 24. 11 into 7, 77. Same here. Here is 1. LCM is 11 into 24. Divide this LCM by 1. Here is 11 into 24. Minus 2 sevens are 14. These two cancel out. We are having tangent inverse. Add these two. This is 125 upon, first multiply these two. It is 264 minus 14. Tangent inverse 125 upon 250 cancel out 1 by 2. So we are having tangent inverse 1 by 2. which is right hand side, hence proved, which is right hand side, hence proved. Now fourth question, we have to prove equal to this. Here we have 2 tangent inverse x, and 2 tangent inverse x will be equal to tangent inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the identity. 2 tangent inverse x will be equal to tangent inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So consider left hand side. This is, it is 2 tangent inverse 1 by 2 plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. So first, it is 2 tangent inverse x will be equal to tangent inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2 into x, x is 1 by 2, upon 1 minus x square, this is, plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. Tangent inverse cancel, it is 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. Tangent inverse 1 minus 1 by 4 will be equal to 3 by 4, becomes 4 by 3. If we solve this, here it is 3 by 4 and reverse 4 by 3 plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. Now again, as previous question, tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y will be equal to tangent inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tangent inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is tangent inverse, its LCM 21, 3 से 4, 4 16, 7 3 जा 3 1 जा 3, sorry it is 28, 3 7 जा 7 4 जा 28, 1 minus 4 by 21, which is equal to tangent inverse 31 upon 21. Its LCM here is 21, 21 minus 4 cancel out, which is equal to tangent inverse 31, and this is 17, hence proved right hand side, which is right hand side, hence proved. Question number 5, write this in simplest form. So put x as, to make it an identity, like let x is equal to tangent theta, let x is equal to tangent theta. Now tangent inverse under root 1 plus tangent square theta minus 1 upon tangent theta, because 1 plus tangent square is secant square, so we have to make it identity. Now this is tangent inverse, this is secant square theta under root, so only secant theta minus 1 upon tangent theta. Now which is tangent inverse secant is, I'm doing it here, tangent inverse secant 1 upon cos theta minus 1, tangent also sin theta upon cos theta. Now this is tangent inverse LCM 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta, here is sin upon cos theta, cancel. Now this is tangent inverse 1 minus cos theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta होता है 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta will be equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, because 1 minus cos 2 theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So cancel out, 1 sin 2 1 sin cancel, and we are left with tangent inverse sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So now tangent inverse, this is tangent theta by 2, cancel out, it is theta by 2 only. So 1 by 2 as it is, theta from here, tangent inverse x. So 1 by 2 tangent inverse x. So in the same way you will try your questions up to question number 7th. It's your homework. Do exercise 2.2 up to question number 7th.